What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another reaction.
I'm Antwone.
And I'm Maddie.
And today we got Arab roast racist people on Omengle.
I think this is like our part 4.
Yeah, this is like part 4.
Or part 5.
Yeah.
I don't even remember.
I just know you guys love him. So
okay.
We're going to give you all the rest of them that he has remaining. I think we got one more after this, and then that's it. So yeah, we're gonna drop another one right after this one. And yeah, we need you guys to go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe, turn on post notifications to be notified for every single video. And also, guys, you guys watch the videos, you guys have ideas you guys want us to react to, drop it down in the comment section, man.
Okay.
Let us know. We know you guys had them thoughts in your head, so go ahead, type it and let us know, and we'll get to it when we can. But yeah, enough talking, let's get to this video.
What's up, brother? Bro, why your head looking like that mushroom from Super Mario? I'm gonna step on it.
He didn't have to do them that bogus.
Damn, he didn't even do that.
Damn, why did he leave though? What's up, brother?
How are you?
Very good, brother.
Bro, who are you? Pac-Man Gaming.
That was a nice one, bro. What are you, McDonald's Gaming? Or from the UK?
Yeah.
Wait, let me show you something, bro. What do you call this thing? Okay, sure. I was just making sure, you know. That's a water bottle. Can't believe I'm teaching English people their language. I'm just so good at everything, guys.
Oh my god, it's the
what?
It's Obama bin Laden.
Obama bin Laden.
Ain't no way.
Oh, how are you, brother? Why your face looking like a thumb? Oh, bro, damn, bro, I'm button nut, bro. Don't do that again. No homo, bro. But
bro, why dude took the camera like he was talking to his bae or something about me, bro?
Like he's taking a video over his bae.
And then dude was like, yeah, no homo. Dude is crazy.
Don't do that again. I'm trying my best not to nut on November. No, it's not November, so you're gonna make me lose, bro. I can't hear you, bro. There's no sound. It's okay. I know your voice is sexy, though. Don't yeah, brother. You want to read Allah Akbar?
Allahu Akbar.
Precision airstrike N39 N77.
Hey, yo, what the f***?
Order airstrike. Oh, brother Drake from the dollar store.
Breathe.
Brother, don't care about me. Drake, how are you? Habibti, please. What's up, bro? What's up? Oh, you call me brother? I'm not black. I'm brown. I'm halfway there. Don't worry. You can't call me the N-word yet. I'm halfway there, but not there. So, yeah.
Can I see your dick?
Whoa.
Yo, beat.
Whoa, that was random.
The juice. What's up, sisters? What the hell, guys? Boom kaboom! That's a new nickname for me. What's up, sisters? How are you?
What's up, Mafia Gang?
Mafia Gang? What the hell?
You're a gangster.
You're making the wrong stereotype here. Oh, this guy made the right stereotype. He made the right stereotype, whatever he is. Of course you look like that, bro. Of course, yo. No, don't worry. Just skip. Damn, bro, why you got that POV?
I'm under the water.
Brother, that's the POV a girl is never gonna see in her life. I can guarantee you that. What's up, brother? Is that a dick?
What?
What is this behind you, brother?
What? What the hell is that? Comment down below what y'all think that is.
Oh God.
Behind you! Oh, brother! Astaghfirullah. Sorry, brother. I am... Brother, it's not November. I'm sorry. It's not November. You know, I forgot.
Allahu Akbar.
Yeah. Damn, the weekend from the dollar store! Oh my God! What's up, brother? Oh, you do that, huh? You take the consequences.
You fucking terrorist!
Oh, precision airstrike N32, N77, N79. No.
Skip this!
Damn, gamer girl, what are you playing? Kitchen Simulator? No, I'm just kidding. Don't cancel me, guys. Don't cancel me. I'm just kidding. I love women. I obviously love women. You know, that goes without saying. So yeah, I'm sorry for that joke, or maybe not. Damn, bro, I'm too zoomed in, looking like a fish. What's up?
Alam Akbar.
What's that Star Wars thing behind you?
Yeah, you like it?
Damn, well, that's the room of somebody who's never going to touch a woman. Let's just keep it at that.
Yeah, you know it.
Hell yeah, bro, let's go! Virgin gang, brother!
Lay down.
Yeah, Virgin gang, forever!
Oh, shit.
Stay a virgin, you know, let's keep it at that. Until marriage, stay a virgin. Let's see you, soldier. How is November going? Ah, damn, bro. I'll fight for you. Don't worry. I'm not gonna nut. See you, bro. Love you, bro.
Oh, you're a terrorist?
Oh, bro, come on. Listen. Check this. You're gonna find out now. Precision airstrike N79, longitude S72.
Oh, big
Oh my God, Lil Nas! Call me in the morning. Brother, I'm not a huge fan. Astaghfirullah. I mean, I saw your music. Haram. Brother, why are you gay? I'm just kidding. Why you do the dance on Satan, you know? The lap dance. Hey, Lil Nas, bro. Hey, Lil Nas, repent to God, you know the... Hey! I dodged that. Oh, I dodged that. I'm like the Matrix, brother. You can't.
I hit you 5 times, bro. Don't talk.
I'm anti-sus. None of them hit me.
Can I see your cock now? Show me your cock.
You mean that? Yeah?
Yeah,
I'm so random.
What's up, sister?
Why do you have a picnic thing around your head?
That's not a picnic thing. That's a limited edition Gucci X release collab hat. It costs more. It's like your dad's rent for 10 years and 17 days, 3 hours and 2 seconds. So don't be talking shit. Don't call it a picnic table, okay?
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man.
What the hell? My day is ruined, guys. I had to see this. You gotta like the video, bro. I can't be seeing this for free, guys. I'm torturing myself for you guys. What the hell?
Ooh, daddy!
No, I'm not daddy, brother. Come on, haram.
Wait, do you actually have a bomb with it? Wait, can I see a bomb?
Of course, brother. Just give me 1 second.
Show me!
Precision airstrike N39, N77, longitude S79, S79. Come on, bro. What's up, sister? Are you a sister or a brother? Oh, very good, nice.
Nice.
Were you surprised by my look or something?
No.
You know what this is?
Yeah. I know, like, that women have that.
What? Woman? You think I'm a woman?
They wear a jihad.
Jihad?
What is
Jihad?
What is that thing?
Hijab. You said jihad.
Yeah, I know.
No, it's okay. No problem.
Hey, comment down below what is a jihad, guys.
Now we make mistake. It's okay. BTS? Oh my God! I love them. One time I was listening to the music. Guess what happened?
What happened?
I got ear cancer.
Dang. That's cool.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. What's up, brother? How are you?
Oh my god. I subscribe your YouTube channel.
Thank you, brother. You guys subscribe too. Tell them to subscribe, brother. Tell them to subscribe.
Yes, sir. Okay, subscribe.
Yeah, guys, you hear him. Subscribe. Subscribe. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, brother. Love you.
Why was he like lost right there?
I know. I think he was shot.
Ah, bro,
Then
something in
he
my
shot.
eye, bro. Sorry, y'all. I was squinting at the last minute. Something just flew in my damn eye or something. Bro, that video was funny, bro. Why was so many people just saying like random stuff? Like, what?
Yeah.
Like the one dude, beatbox. He was like, and then he just bowed all of a sudden. Like it was just so
And then
random.
he just stared at him
Like awkward as hell. And then the dude was like, what did he do? They was doing something, and then he was just like, can I see your?
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like we ain't gonna say the word, but y'all know what he said. You know what I'm saying?
This one was funny. I'm not gonna lie.
This one was funny, y'all. We got like one more after this one. We're gonna react to that one. We're gonna drop that one for y'all. But
Okay.
make sure y'all go ahead, like this one up. Y'all enjoyed this one. Subscribe. We on the road to 700 right now. You guys got us to 650.
Okay.
That was our last goal, and now get us to 700. And yeah, we just gonna keep dropping these videos back to back. And y'all do y'all part and subscribe.